Let's unpack how to make learning meaningful and memorable with a solution that's great for school, home, or anywhere in between. STEM boxes make hands-on learning both easy to facilitate and easy to participate. They're designed to provide everything you need, packaged and delivered straight to you. So, what's in a box? Each box includes all the needed materials and at-home curriculum with step-by-step instructions to build exciting projects and complete 15 challenges and activities. Students will explore a multitude of topics, including aerospace, sustainable energy, physical science, engineering, and more. All activities are completely hands-on and will have your learners engaged for hours as they create, explore, pioneer, innovate, and of course, have fun. What's in the box will have your learners thinking out of the box in no time. We've got several options for all grades. Let's look at each one. The STEM Pioneer Pack is meant for early childhood education. Kiddos have everything they need to interact and learn with plants, music, fuzzy structures, and even coding. The STEM Explorer Pack has 2 boxes to choose from. Both are intended for 3rd through 5th graders. You'll have everything needed to build a bird feeder, experiment with musical instruments, get creative with 3D art, explore flight, and much more. The STEM Creator Pack also has 2 box options, but for grades 6 through 8. Supplies and directions provide opportunities to build your own invention, experiment with catapults, race rolling vehicles and coasters, plus tons more. Then, the STEM Innovator Pack is intended for students in grades 9 through 12. This box allows you to build a trebuchet, experiment with solar vehicles, and fly kites. You can also customize your elementary and middle school Explorer and Creator Packs. With 10 total projects to choose from in each grade range, we wanted to give you a chance to build your own box with your favorite projects. STEM boxes are ideal for learning at home and are also excellent options for integration into a center activity in a classroom, camp, or after-school program. Plus, all activities come in English and Spanish. So, no matter the place or the pace, a hands-on, minds-on experience is waiting for you. Ready to unbox a great learning experience? Visit pitsco.com/STEM-boxes to learn more and purchase.